So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making chocolate bananas. And if you want to make this, the first thing you're going to need is a banana. These wood stick things, a butter knife to cut it in half, a plate obviously, some chocolate, you melt it. And if you want, you can add some sprinkles. You don't have to, but if you don't want to, but you can if you want. So let's get started. Let's see.
I
We
got
need a
bananas.
banana. I'm just gonna open. So as I said, the first thing was a banana. We're just gonna open it.
Peel it up. Peel that up.
Okay, we understand we're supposed to peel it off.
Get all peeled. Peel.
Okay, now that we got the banana, we're going to take our butter knife and cut it in half.
Yeah.
Like about there. And then we're going to put the stick thing in here. A little bit.
Put some bananas.
That's okay. I'm going to make lots of these, don't worry. Okay, now that we got that, we're supposed to freeze these. For about an hour. Okay. So after you got the bananas freeze, you melt the chocolate in the microwave for about 2 minutes, and then after that's done, you can put it on the bananas. You grab the banana and you put it in.